How to add users in Zoho 1. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Zoho 1. Now to add users in Zoho 1, you're going to go over here on the left side and you're going to click on directory. Now over here, this is where you're going to add your users. Now when you first open your directory, this is what you're going to see first. Now what you're going to click on is the users over here on the left side. And you're simply going to click on add users over here on the top right, and you would be able to add information such as first name, last name, email address, company information, and other information like local, additional information, and custom fields over here. After entering the necessary information, you can simply click on add over here, and you would be able to successfully add this user to your Zoho 1. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.